In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur in Adobe Express. If you want to soften an image, create a subtle background effect, or simply reduce sharp detail in a photo. Adobe Express makes that process very quick and easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the blur control and how to adjust it so you get the look you want. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design or file where the image is already placed. Starting from the correct project is important, because the blur effect will only apply to the image you choose within that specific design. Once your project is open, select the image you want to blur. You can do that by clicking directly on the photo or graphic in your canvas. This step matters because Adobe Express needs to know which element you want to edit before it shows the relevant image controls. If nothing seems to change, just double check that the image itself is selected and not a text box, background, or another layer. After the image is selected, look over to the left panel and find the Adjust option. Go ahead and click on it to open the Adjustments panel. This is where Adobe Express gives you access to image settings that let you fine-tune the appearance of your selected photo. Inside the Adjustments panel, scroll down until you find the Detail section. Under that section, you'll see the blur control. This is the setting you'll use to soften the image. Simply drag the slider to increase the amount of blur. As you move it, you should see the image update in real time, which makes it easier to decide how much blur looks best for your design. A small increase can create a gentle, soft focus effect, while a stronger increase can make the image much more diffused. If you're using blur for a background image, a heavier setting can help text stand out more clearly on top. If you're blurring for style, a lighter setting often looks more natural. Take a moment to adjust it until it matches the result you want, and that's it. Once you've set the blur to your desired level, your image is ready. As a final tip, it can help to zoom out and look at the full design before you finish, just to make sure the blur works well with the rest of your layout. That's how to blur an image in Adobe Express.